Hi, this is Gaurav Bangar, an enthusiastic and organized fresher who seeks a job in hospitality industry in a well-reputed company and ensure effective performance as well as effective leadership skills and loyalty to the company as well as customer satisfaction. Extremely determined to achieve targets with effective management skills as well as professional skills. Currently, I am studying at Lambton College in Mississauga under the program of Tourism Operations Management. Moreover, I have completed my senior secondary education from Manasa Yoga School in Punjab, India, and I have secured third rank in the class by scoring 89.2%. Additionally, I have completed my matriculation from Manasa Yoga School, and there also I have achieved third rank by scoring 88.8%. Presently, I have no work experience and I am a fresher right now. However, I have my involvement in various voluntary tasks during the school time. I have served as the head boy of the school for one academic year and everyone appreciated my performance. I have organized farewell party for my senior as well as organized one of the exhibition event that was held in the school. If I talk about my strengths, I can say that I am a kind of person who possesses effective leadership skills as well as effective knowledge about the work ethics. Moreover, I am very organized and enthusiastic person. I possess good sense of humor and I can mix up with my colleagues quite effectively. Moreover, I am a good writer and a good lyricist. On the other hand, if I talk about my weakness is that I can get very stressed and impatient when things do not go according to me. But I am a kind of person who always try to tackle the unpredictable situation and also try to make things suitable for me. I possess great potential and enormous skills which can contribute greatly towards company success. Moreover, I am very logical, kind, determined and organized person, which is a very hard combination to find. Adding more to this, I can prove to be the most valuable asset for any organization or company and I can assure full work satisfaction to the company.